Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Days. My name is Melissa, and I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. This is a fun series that I'm doing where every week I just feature a star ingredient. This week it is going to be working with tuna. I love the tuna creations, the ranch flavor. It gives you 15 grams of protein per pouch. This helps you to feel full and satisfied. I love meal prepping, meal planning lunches around it, and it's so easy. Here at Healthy Days, we do not overcomplicate weight loss, but we are extremely intentional about the ingredients that we're putting into our bodies. So I just start out and I line up my Tupperware Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I put in 2 packets of the Tuna Creations Ranch. This is going to give me, with the 2 packets, 30 grams of protein. So such a great way. We're all trying to figure out how to get more protein into our bodies. So this meal prep with the tuna is going to do just that. And then I just start piling all the healthy ingredients on top. What I want this to do is to kind of start working with the psychology of why aren't we meal prepping? What's holding us back? Why aren't we starting to do this? So I hope this video inspires you and encourages you to do so. So let's get started. So Monday, we have our 2 packets of the tuna in there, and then we're just going to pile on our healthy ingredients. I'm going to do the chickpeas. I'm going to add a little bit of the extra virgin olive oil. That's a healthy fat in there, and it's going to be so good for satiety, helping you to feel full for longer. And we always want to be working with spices. I have a whole video where you make up a spice jar that has all the spices in it that is going to be incredible for weight loss and gut health. But if you're just getting started and you want to ease your way into working with the different spices, just take them one by one. So for Monday, I'll add a little bit of garlic powder. And then I have this, well, I'm just going to go with the regular feta cheese. I think that's going to be a great combination. So I'm going to just take your feta cheese, 1 to 2 tablespoons. And look at that. All right, guys. So just follow along with this. If you are starting out meal prepping and you are very busy, as we all are, we have Monday done. And we're going to move on to Tuesday. And look how easy this is. We're going to meal prep out Monday through Friday in less than 10 minutes. So moving right along to Tuesday, let's go ahead and we will add our avocado. So just dice up 1 avocado. We already have our tuna in there. Remember, that's our key ingredient. That's what we are focusing on. Psychologically, we are being intentional to be adding the tuna into our meal plan. And what this is doing for us, the repetition, is cognitively, it is teaching us and showing us that meal prep and meal planning is going to be such a key component in our weight loss. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to add a few of the cherry tomato. And again, I'll drizzle a little bit of the extra virgin olive oil. And go ahead and add a little cumin. You just want to be intentional to get the ingredients in. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of fennel seed as well. Sometimes we don't think to add these spices, but they will work wonders for your gut health. And if you've checked out any of my other videos, you know that gut health is a very key factor in your weight loss journey. So there we have Tuesday done. Look at this. So satisfying. I am telling you, once you start doing these easy meal preps, you are going to wonder why you didn't start this years ago. Let's move on to Wednesday. All right, so for Wednesday, I'm going to go ahead and add some of this roasted red pepper hummus. If I can get into it. Go ahead and add the 2 tablespoons of hummus. And then I also love this, it's like a Greek feta cheese, extra virgin olive oil blend. I get it at Aldi. Go check it out. So yummy. I love all the Mediterranean components. And you can do up to a 1/4 cup, but you decide. Sometimes the olives can be a little overpowering, but you go ahead and decide how much you want. All right, and I'm actually going to squeeze half a lemon onto that as well. All the lemon enzymes are going to be so great for digestion, But here we are. Look at that. Wednesday is done. Do you see how this is going? Do you see how easy it is? I really just want to encourage and inspire you. We don't have to overcomplicate it. I know sometimes we'll check out videos and it looks like the meal prep is taking such a long time. And although we would love to have that much time to do it, we don't. We're very busy and life gets busy, but we don't have to sacrifice our weight loss program just because of it. All right, so we're moving on to Thursday. For Thursday, I just diced up some of the cucumber. Cucumber is another great vegetable to be getting into your body as often as possible. So just dice that up. Again, I'm going to add another handful of the cherry tomatoes, a little bit more of my lemon. This is getting you cognitively thinking about meal planning, cognitively thinking about meal prep, and how important it is to be working with the whole foods. So if you want to give that an extra kick, go ahead and add the garlic powder again. I love the flavoring of the garlic powder. And another drizzle of the extra virgin olive oil. Remember, we are just focusing on the key ingredient of how we can meal prep out, different ways to meal prep out tuna, because we do not want to get bored with our weight loss. We do not want to plateau by eating the same thing each day. So again, there we have another one. Thursday's done, one meal down. And let's move along to Friday. Friday, again, we start off with our base of the 2 packets of the Tuna Creations Ranch. We have our 30 grams of protein in there right out the gate. I'm going to go ahead, and this is just a classic guacamole. Love some guacamole. It's absolutely delicious. Go ahead and add the 2 tablespoons of guac. And I'm going to throw some black beans in there. Again, that's going to be so great for your fiber. We have our protein. We have our fiber. We are set. I don't need to add any of the extra virgin olive oil because the guacamole gives it enough of a creamy mixture for me. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle in a little bit of the ground ginger because I want to be intentional to get these spices into my body that maybe I haven't thought to do over the years. And I'm actually going to sprinkle in a little bit of the paprika. Again, the paprika it's not too powerful of a flavoring, but it works wonders for what it's doing for your weight loss journey in your body. So again, there we are. Look how easy that was. So we have Monday through Friday, 1 meal down. Last week we worked with the Greek yogurt. Go ahead, I'm going to take this one to work with me today. I'm going to put these in the fridge, all prepped out, 1 meal down. All we have to do is combine it with some other healthy meals and we are set. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope that these are a great way to start thinking about meal planning, thinking about meal prepping without overcomplicating it. Subscribe to my channel, check out all of my meal prep recipes, check out all of my healthy weight loss recipes, and just all of my tips that have worked for me along the way. I think knowledge is power. It's so important to understand why we are doing what we're doing when it comes to what we are eating and how we are working out. So I hope this is helpful. Go out there, pick up your containers, prioritize your weight loss, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I so hope this helps motivate and inspire you to start meal prepping and being consistent with prioritizing your weight loss. I know for me, one of the hardest parts of losing weight was understanding what intentional ingredients to put into my body. That's why we're going to take this playlist 1 week at a time. We're going to feature 1 star ingredient and we're going to figure out 5 meals to meal prep out in under 10 minutes so that we can cognitively get used to that. We can start to learn about the different ingredients that we need to be putting into our bodies, and we are going to achieve the weight loss results that we're looking for. I so hope if you're looking for more healthy weight loss tips, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with anyone that you know that is looking to start out on a healthy weight loss journey. I'll see you guys next time.